I've been really excited to try making fluffy slime. This one is supposed to have a really good consistency and just be extra fun for the kids to play with. This fluffy slime was really fun to make. I was a little nervous at first because it seemed so sticky, but the longer I played with it, the better it got. You could make several different batches in several different colors and twist them together. The shaving cream really makes it have a fluffier feel to it, which is really fun for the kids. So I would recommend putting a little lotion on your hands before you put this one together.